What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Look you guys, it's summer here in Dollar Tree. It's definitely not summer outside, but in here we have lots of cute new items for summer. Gnomes, cold drinks. Ooh, look at this one. Life is better in the summer. Yes. Sweet summer sunshine, tiki time. Sweet summertime. We have our little flamingos. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. We have so many cute little wall decor, wall art, wall plaques. What do you guys call it? The glasses? Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Question. Would you guys wear any of these? And if so, let me know in the comments if you would. Under what circumstances would you wear these? So cute. We have little shopper bags or beach bags. Oh my gosh, even more over here, you guys, look. I love the pineapples. We even have little kids ones. Oh, these are so cute. These are little crabs. They're back from last year. I love the pineapples. We have the Lays. Ooh, these are pretty. They're so fluffy and pretty. I love these. This one's new also. 42 inches. We have fluffy blue, fluffy yellow, fluffy pink. These are the Bunny Birdy Gator colors right here. These ones are all new as well. Wow, these orchid ones, these are so pretty. Now these ones are 40 inches. Even more over here. So they range between 40 and 42 inches. Ooh, look at these. These are new this year. Orange, blue, purple, green. Aw. Pink and yellow, has a cute like pearl iridescent coating on the top. We have rainbow, navy, neon. These are so pretty. They just make me happy. Even more of the novelty glasses. Pink, the little mermaids. The orange, the blue. Ooh, look you guys. Oh, these are so cute with the little fishies. Okay, we have these 3 colors here. And then up top, this one is so pretty. Look at this. I love that blue. And then we have this pretty one with the metal. It's a cute little charm. So pretty. Sand of my favorite beach. We have Wish Upon a Starfish. And the cute bins. I showed these in Jerry's store. We have Wish Upon a Starfish, and we have Lake Life, and then we have the little crab, we have the seahorse, and the starfish. On beach time, ooh, beach time is a good time to be on. It's a beach thing, and a mermaid lives here. It's been so many years since I've been to the beach. That's one thing I really miss about living here in the Midwest. I miss the beach. Sea, sand, and sunshine. This is a pack of 28. And then we have the larger ones, Wish Upon a Starfish. And then these. Big bowls. Little bowls, plates, serving trays, the plastic tablecloths, the microfiber towels, the famous dish drying mats that double perfectly as placemats. You guys know I've been using these for placemats for years. I buy different ones for each season. Wish upon a starfish. And then over here we also have all you need is love and the beach. Oh, I like this one. Gone to the beach. Life is better at the beach. And they say home is where the heart is. For me, it's by the sea. I've seen this one before. I've seen it before. Ooh, and these are new. Blue anchors, white anchors, and reddish burgundy anchors. So 3 different anchors. 2 less fish in the sea. I guess like a little wedding themed sort of, maybe newlywed sort of wall plaque. This one is so cute. Salty and happy. I love the little star up here. It's really cute. The nautical rope balls. They're calling them jute balls. Now I hate untying knots, but I love the different variations of nautical ropes or knots that people create. I always thought that that's really beautiful and timeless. Like, I love this design. And we also have these little chalkboards. I got a nice little glance of a lot of these shore items in Jerry's store, but this location has some items that I didn't see yet, including all of these ribbons. Let's turn it around. This says, meet me by the sea. And then I just love the starfish. The blue and the coral color are really pretty. This one is cute with the pastel. These are all so pretty. And then we have some nautical ones here. The lighthouses are adorable. We have stripes. This is giving me Gucci vibes, just a little bit, not quite, but kinda. Anchors, what does this say? This says, shore life. Wait, what? Life is better at the shore. Life is better at the shore. And then we have some little fabric squares, ropes, seahorses, coral, boats. Yeah, if you want to do a little craft project. Wow, you guys. And then I did miss a couple items. We have the little cups, the shells and the mermaid tails. And then we also have these, just beachy. This is that sort of like stretched canvas. Mermaids have more fun. That's such a pretty green. And we have, ooh, this one's pretty. Surf, sun, and sand. Yeah, you guys, we have lots of really cute new items. Definitely come back to my very next video. I'm gonna show this little bit of summer items that we didn't see yet. I'm also noticing we have some graduation items over there. I'm just gonna try to find everything brand new in the store. Again, I'm in Dalry today, so I know it's a store that you guys really love, so definitely come back to see more new finds here in Dalry. I'll show you what's new in my store. Tell me what you guys are finding in your store. I just love the summer items. Everything is like so bright and happy. I just love it so, so much. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.